Do you want to break free from paycheck to paycheck living? The Bible says in Proverbs 22 verses 7 that the rich rule over the poor and the borrower is slave to the lender. We were burdened by so much debt that it felt like we were slaves to our creditors. In this video, we want to show you how we discovered a way to break free from living paycheck to paycheck and create a new income stream. I am Sarah, this is my husband Colin, and we live in Toronto, Ontario, and we are online digital business owners.
For over 10 years, we had good jobs, but we had a mountain of debt. With the difficult financial times and the high cost of living, we had to spend more time working than getting out of our debt.
Our desire to be free from our creditors was constrained by our paychecks, and our debts kept piling up. We reached a point and started looking for ways to make passive income. We knew there was a solution, but we just didn't know what it was at that time.
By God's grace, we came upon a social media ad just like the one you're watching. It was from a couple running a successful online business. Their story inspired us on how they paid off their consumer debt, helped family, saved for their future, supported mission work, and even traveled the world. We clicked the link without hesitation, and that simple action has changed our lives.
That's right. Our online business is up and running. It's bringing us closer to our dreams than ever before. We thank God for this business as we have the opportunity to break free from paycheck to paycheck living and make a new income stream and do the things that matter to us most.
Now, if you're open to the idea of unlocking a new stream of income to pay off your debts, click the link below and register your name and email address. We're going to send you information on a free webinar information session.
Yeah, click the link. If you're someone who is coachable and you need change, take that bold step today. Click the link below and register and get ready for a journey toward your own online success. Click that link at sarahkaraoke.net.
God's blessings to you and thank you.
See you on the inside.